Hello everyone. I had a question about using a screen recording as well as taking photos of documents and then talking over them. Well, there is a video that's already created on how to perform a screen recording. So for that, I would recommend that you check that out, and I'll include the link to that in the notes for this video. However, there is a function available on the iPad using Google or Apple Notes where you can scan text-based pages, and it makes them a little more readable for students. So the first thing you want to do is open Apple Notes, and in your blank note, you'll notice that there is a camera down here in the lower right-hand side just above the keyboard. And when you tap that option, you can take a photo, choose something from your photo library, or scan documents. And what you want to do for text-based documents is hit scan documents, and here I see my textbook. So I want to include this as a resource for students, and I want it to be readable. And the problem is that photos that are purely photographic can become deteriorated. The text can become difficult to read. However, when you scan a document like so, then you get a better text resolution. So what you see on the screen is that yellow highlighted grid, and that's what it's going to select for a text. Now, it's not what I want, but I'm going to go ahead and take my picture. Now here, I can drag the corner. So I'm going to tap on the upper left-hand corner and move my selection area to the part that I want from the text. And just so you know, in no way am I going to use this, reproduce this, or put it online without agreement from the publisher. So this is the scan that I want, and I am going to hit Keep Scan. However, I want to add a second page to this document. So before I hit Save in the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to take another photo of the other page. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag my dots up to include the portion of the text that I want to keep. And this looks good. So now I'm going to hit Keep Scan, and I'm satisfied with those two pages. Now, by hitting Save at this point, it will take those two pages and make them one file, as you can see here. Instead of having separate files like 7 or 8 pages and 7 or 8 files, you can put those 7 or 8 pages into one file, which makes it easier to share with students, whether it's by emailing them as an attachment or by posting it on Google Classroom. Now, the second part of the question was, how then do you talk over this view of the page? Well, very simply, you can open it and you can scroll between the pages and notes by doing the screen recording. It will record your audio, it will record your actions on the screen, and then you can simply save that video and share that with students. So I hope this was helpful, and I certainly hope that if you have any other needs, you let me know.